Good morning, friends. నా పేరు సందీప్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Whoever is watching this video, I just want to tell you, I already made Army GD related papers. Now I am making Army Tradesman exam related paper. That is 24th April, which was conducted. So please go through whatever the question paper has been given, and let me tell you, whatever the books you can see over here, I had made personally. So these are very important practice papers, English grammar, and we have something related to general knowledge also. So very important content has been given, so don't underestimate this content. If you want, you can take this. So they are the best books I have given. And this is a general knowledge army technical related book, and we have coast guard general duty domestic branch book. Now we have, this is related to very important, that is Army GD and tradesman related book. This is something Railway Police Force Constable related book, and this is, we have Indian Air Force Y Group related book. There are many more, as you can see down below. So everything is there. Army Clerk related book I have, and one more is Indian Army Nursing Assistant. So this is Indian Navy Tradesman Mate related book. Another is, this is something nursing, and we have a technical previous one, and so many, these kind of near about 11 to 12 books we have. Even SSC also I have the book, SSC MTS also. So these many books I have, just have a look. If you want, you can directly call me on 7667302252. So let us start whatever the questions have been given. The black coating on silver is an example of very important, now I am wearing the copper ring. On this will have a brown, you can see the color, the green color will be there when it is rusted. The same thing when the silver is wearing, you are wearing silver, then the black coating will be there as an example of corrosion, you can tell. Now they are asking the candela, about, it is a short form is CD. Candela is the unit of luminous intensity, guys. Solid angle steradian, now the candela is for the luminous intensity, so that is the unit. Now we have the pollution that is normally with the sound we get the pollution. We call it as normally sound pollution. Instead of sound pollution, we call it as noise pollution. It is not that much danger, but is invisible danger, we can tell. We normally used to see this happens in the roads or somewhere in a traffic area. You know about the rusting process, which is also known as oxidation process. So this is one type of chemical reaction, we call it as, because it is a irreversible process. In the case of melting of ice, again the ice will be, again the water will become ice. That is a reversible process, that is physical process. There are very questions they have asked related to chemical and physical reactions. So here rusting process is what, this is a chemical reaction. Now we have the maximum carbohydrates are found in which place. We can see rice has got the maximum carbohydrates. So that is the reason we should not boil maximum, or should not wash rice maximum, because we lose carbohydrates. When zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride as well as hydrogen gas comes out. So they had asked which gas comes out here. Whenever the zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid HCl, so obviously ZnCl and hydrogen will be produced. We know about the tomato, which has got the oxalic acid, oxalic crystals. Because of this tomato, we get kidney stones. Even you should know about palak also, where you'll get oxalic acid. Now we have hepatitis. It is caused by the alcohol poisoning or medications, toxins or poisons. So this is not transferred from one person to other person. You can see this type of hepatitis and all, it's hereditary thing may happen, and you should know about that. These toxins and medications you should remember. So transmitting from one person to other person is what, that is something AIDS example. Now we have the, which is the biggest part of digestion. So you know about small intestine, which has got the length of near about 6 meters. So that is the biggest part in our digestion system. And small intestine plays a vital role in digesting your food. Now we have Rajaji National Park. Very important, guys. You should know about the all national parks. So here, Rajaji National Park is located in Uttarakhand, and you guys comment me where exactly the Ram Ganga National Park is located. Should know about Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is located on the river Mahanadi, which is located in Odisha. The state which formed in 2000, like you know about from Uttarakhand in 2001, state has been formed, that is Uttarakhand, guys. I want you guys to comment me from which state this Uttarakhand had formed. Recently Telangana had formed. Now we have Union Health Minister. You should know about Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya. He is the health minister. Virtual session you can see. So he had become he is the Union Health Minister. Now we have something Vice President of India. You should know about that. At present he is the chairman of Rajya Sabha only. So Jagdeep Dhankar. Now Chief of Defence Staff 2019, you can see Lieutenant General DB Shekhar Shikakar. He was the guy. So and now we should remember General Bipin Rawat. CDS was the first one who was appointed in 2019, and second one you can comment me in the section. Now we have Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Who is he? He is a DRDO's. You can see here head of the DRDO. So if I say, I want you guys to comment me who is the chairman of ISRO. You know about the Madhya Pradesh industrial scale diamond mines you can find over there. That is Panna and Panna golden mines, as well as Mazgwan golden mines are located in Madhya Pradesh, guys. So they had asked related to that question. Now we have something FCRA. What is FCRA? That is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, guys. So this is the abbreviation they had asked. The gap is used in chips. Sorry, the gas is used in chips in order to prevent from oxidation. I had already discussed. To preserve the chips in chips packets, you have to fill with the nitrogen, with which it can live long. It can be longer good food. Now we have 0 hour, which is also known as a question hour, guys. And we should know about the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. In 2016, Government of India launched Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana in the Taxation Laws Act 2016. So the initial objective of the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana scheme was to ensure tax evaders declare unaccounted money and avoid penalty and criminal prosecution. So this is one thing, guys. You know about the heat. The SI unit of heat is joule, guys. And Maha Nirvana Stupa, which is located in the district, that is Kushinagar, where exactly the Buddha had taken Nirvana. So it is there in Uttar Pradesh. Now we have Women Military Police Paper, that is 24th April 2023, which was conducted. Very important, guys. I'll discuss in next paper, so be ready for that.